Hi, we're Jamie and Aidan, and in June we returned home to England after a year of backpacking across Asia.
England is great, but we couldn't wait to travel again. So we packed our bags and bought another one-way flight.
We're starting in the south of Italy.
A region known for beaches, food, and slowed down pace of life.
This is country number 10 of our travels.
So come along with us. And we are in Otranto.
So to start this video, it is currently 4 p.m, the sun is just starting to set and it's absolutely beautiful here.
We've got the sea behind us, we've got the really cool old historic town over there. We're going to take a little walk and show you all about what Italy is like in 2023.
So we are currently in the port town of Otranto in the Puglia province here in Italy.
Which is in the south, and sometimes you see it written as Apulia, but they are both the same place. We are near to the city Lecce, but we are in this really small little beautiful town. At the minute it's quite quiet, but it's getting busier as the sun is setting. It's getting a lot busier and it's a lot of fun to be with lots of locals and a few tourists as well, but it's definitely not one of the biggest tourist destinations in Italy, which is exactly why we chose it.
We're going to be staying in this little town of Otranto for an entire month. We have paid for an Airbnb, so if you want to see what we get up to in this town, then make sure to subscribe to see our future content. So we're just walking through the town now. We're going to head up to here, which is a nice old town. It's a beautiful place to walk around. There's loads of shops and restaurants and stuff like that.
It is very, very busy out here today. We've been here a couple times before at different times of the day. It's nearly 5, so I think everyone's kind of coming out ready maybe for a quick drink and then to have some amazing Italian food for dinner. But it's super, super busy. It's a lovely atmosphere, everyone out having fun. So I'm having fun too. Wow, just look at all these tiny little alleys, the cobbled streets, all of the like cream and white coloured buildings. I love it so much. This is like the Europe that you want to come and see. When you feel very European, you want to grab like a coffee and sit on the side of the road. This is what I came for, and I'm so happy that we found it here in Otranto. So this is the 15th century Aragonese castle, which we can see all the way from our Airbnb, which is over the other side of the coast, but it's just beautiful. You can walk all around it, you can go down, you can go inside and at the top. We are going to go, I think, on the outside wall now, but inside there's like all these shops and just hidden alleys. It's perfect. Such a nice setting for this town.
There's obviously so much history in this town and I can't wait to learn more about it. So even though the sun is setting and it's getting dark now, you can see how clear that water is.
It's currently the 1st of November, but it's still very warm. In the evenings it cools down a bit, but in the daytimes it's really hot. It's lovely. There's lots of people down on the beach, so you can be sure we're going to make the most of having the sea right next to us, and we're going to be in there most days. It is most definitely time for dinner.
Yes.
We're starving. So we have ordered, we are at the Crazy Wagon Bistro, which we have been to one time before and it was amazing. So hopefully they're not going to let us down this time. We've both gone for a pizza, obviously. We're really hungry, so I'm excited. This is the part that I'm more excited for. The first real Italian tiramisu. I can't wait. That is genuinely so much nicer than I've ever had before. That is delicious. If you are ever in Italy, I don't think we have to say, but get a tiramisu. It's beautiful.
And good morning, everyone.
Now you have seen in our video what Italy is like in 2023.
We are loving living in this small town and we cannot wait to explore more.
If you do have any recommendations for us, any food, any places we should go, any tips for when you are traveling in Italy, then please put them down below. We really appreciate when you give us comments and we like to reply to every single one.
Italy for us is a great European destination and definitely somewhere you should put on your bucket list. We've been pleasantly surprised since being here in Italy with how good the weather is, considering it's November, and also how cheap this place is.
And we are just having a great time. We hope that it shows in this video, and we hope that you can watch the rest of our videos that we are going to be posting, exploring this area, seeing a bit more of Italy as well. So if you have liked this video, make sure to like and consider subscribing. We will see you next time.
Goodbye.